We recently had a discussion in the office regarding the crime reports generated by police, which may be helpful to those of you who are accused of a crime. Now, these reports are generated by police officers and occasionally, in more serious cases, by police detectives. Now, most of us get our ideas about police from television, so it's not surprising that many defendants expect the police to investigate the case thoroughly, without prejudices, and without shortcuts. Sadly, that is rarely the case. The police are a highly centralized organization, which means the cops on the street follow orders from the top. Most have very little discretion in how to handle a case. Many departments require somebody be arrested on every domestic violence call, regardless if it's a serious incident or not. Frequently, when officers use force against clients, rightly or wrongly, they begin by repeating, "Stop resisting," to lay the basis for a resisting arrest charge, whether or not you actually resisted or whether or not the use of force was actually justified. Now, the point is that most police do things uniformly based on their training and orders, regardless of whether that's appropriate or fair in the circumstances. These same police are writing the crime reports. Now, they always write the reports in an apparently neutral fashion, but they are frequently anything but neutral. Typically, the officer is writing the report to justify your prosecution for a particular charge, so important details that provide you a defense are often left out or not explored at all. Similarly, it's not uncommon that only witnesses that justify the police version of events are spoken to, and once they have evidence to convict you, all investigation ends, even when there are a number of other witnesses unspoken to and evidence unexplored. So it's critical to remember that these reports are really just the beginning of your case. They must be read carefully, with skepticism, and challenged aggressively in most cases. These reports are not considered evidence. The judge rarely sees the report, and they're almost never presented to the jury at a trial. If you find yourself dealing with a crime report that you feel is dishonest, incorrect, or incomplete, you need to hire not just an experienced attorney, but an attorney who's actually willing to fight to bring the truth to light. Our office is a fighting office. We will always take a critical view of police work and reports, and we will make every effort to get to the obscured truth in these reports so that you're not punished for something that you didn't do.